The required parts as below. First, install the shock absorption and press block on the rear seat bracket. Secure with 6 long screws and nuts. Don't tighten the screws and nuts at first. And attach the back seat brackets. Insert the block into the back fork. Secure with 4 shock screws. Please install the lock catch a little further forward. Let the shock absorber perpendicular to the ground. That will make it more stable. Then using the 17 wrench and the hex sockets to tighten all screws and nuts. Next, tighten the screws of shock absorption. And putting on the backrest, with nuts at the bottom to secure. The screws must be tightened. Then put the cushions on. Remember, align with the reserved holes in the rear seat brackets. And using nuts at the bottom to secure. Tighten the screws by number 10 wrench. Check the rear seat aligns the entire body. Congratulations, you finished the installation of back seat.